Hey everyone, welcome back to TS Tech Talks channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down how you can become a professional ads creator in 2026, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide. If you've ever wondered, can I actually make this a real career? The answer is yes, you can, if only you approach this the right way. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing the biggest mistakes new creators are making and also how you can avoid them. If you are ready, let's jump in. Number 1, understand what professional creators really means. Now, being a professional creator isn't about posting random tweets. It actually means you publish constantly, you build a clear brand or a niche. Your content also educates, entertains, or it inspires. And also you create multiple streams of income around your account. Very important. In 2026, ads reward those who actually do all of this I'm going to list below. They keep the conversation going. They also share original insights or original content. They build a real community and not a spam. Now, the second one is for you to pick a clear niche and stick to it. Now, the first thing you have to do is to ask yourself this particular question. What do I want to be known for? Some powerful niche in 2026 actually include all of this: personal finance and side hustle, tech and AI tutorials, crypto and Web3 updates, fitness and healthy lifestyle, motivation and self-improvement, business, marketing, and entrepreneurship, comedy, storytelling, and relatable content. Now, let me go back. Storytelling is actually very important if you are making use of AI-generated images and video. That is actually where storytelling comes in handy. And you can check around. You can see so many storytelling platforms or content that are actually making it big. Now, the next is also for you to choose one of these stage and also you create different angles around them, which is you be creative with all of these platforms. Now, another thing that I'm also going to list for you guys that people don't follow you because of what or your account name, or because they know you, or because they have watched one of your content. They follow you because they know what you are actually dropping on your content. They follow you because they know what your content is all about. That means they trust you. Now, the third one is that you do not ignore trend. This is actually very important. To grow fast, you need trend, but you should add your own twist to them. Now, I'm going to be listing where or how you can find trending topic or trending content. Now, the places you can find all this trend are: first, Google Trend, very important. You can actually go through trends.google.com to see what is trending right now. And then you can also make use of a new feature on X called S Inspiration. And I don't know if this is available for everyone, but I know it's available for X verified user. So you use X Inspiration and then you see trending topics over there. And you also go to Reddit communities and then you see trending topics on there. And then you also make use of edits from Instagram, and then you are going to see trending reels over there, and then you post them on your X. And when you see a trend, all you need to ask is, how can I actually make this useful for my audience? How can I actually add my own perspective? You don't just copy trends because they are trending, you copy the content and then upload. You copy them and then you make it to look real with your own perspective. So you do not actually get to spam the platform by just copy pasting other people's work. That is not allowed. So trend actually bring in new people, and also your voice make them say a lot of things by taking advantage of trends. Now, the next is also that you study top creators. Without copying them, you watch what they do, study them, see how they make their post, and then you follow through. Now, look at the biggest ads creators and then ask, what do they actually post often? How do they hook attention? How do they start a conversation also? It is okay to learn from framework, and don't just copy word for word. Take the idea and then make it your own version. And also make sure that whenever you are doing it, you are professional with it and you are going to grow without losing authenticity. Now, the fifth one is for you to build your content system, not just random posts. Here is actually a simple system that works. Daily short posts. it is actually quick and a very good idea. Just share quick tips or ideas. Now, the next is trends. You actually can post trends. I don't know, not trends, I mean threads. Let me restart. Here are actually simple system that actually works. First is for you to post daily short post. This is actually quick tips or idea. And then threads, you can post 1 or 2 per week. This is actually a deep value and a lot of times it brings a lot of engagement. Now, focus also on visual content, which are actually screenshots, short video, and also Coursera. Now, Coursera are multiple images packed in one post that people can just skip through. And then focus on engagement. Now, you need to know that if you're an S creator, you need to reply to your audience or you reply to other creators. And also you collaborate with other creators and then you can also discuss a concerning issue before posting them or just ask questions. Make sure you actually engage with other creators. That is actually how to grow as a professional. This is actually going to help everyone that is starting first, and this is actually very important for you to do. Just make sure that you pay a lot of attention on what I just said in this particular section. Now, the sixth one is for you to use AI tools the smart way. Now, creators who win in 2026 don't work harder, they actually work smart. Now, all you need to do is to use tools to actually do all of this. Make use of AI tools to do all of this. Now, you brainstorm ideas, you also clear up your writing or you get a clean up writing, and then you also can schedule posts, track what performs better, making use of AI tools. Now, AI is actually an assistant tool. It is not just a random things you just use and then just copy paste and you brainstorm and do a lot of things with them. This doesn't actually replace your personality. It is just your own superpower for you to grow faster and quicker. And now, the seventh on my list is for you to grow with engagement. I actually mentioned this before. Not actually the follows, not that you just come to the platform and do follow to follow. Now, stop obsessing over followers count. Don't pay attention to how many followers you have. Now, all you need to do is to focus on thoughtful reply, share value, and also collaborating with other people. Add questions that also invite more engagement or more people to have conversation or start a conversation under your particular post, and the algorithm is going to reward content that actually spark talk, content that people save and also share, or creators who show up consistently. Now, this is actually how the algorithm recognize you and then start putting your content on the top of the platform that people can easily see. Now, on the fourth is that you make sure you monetize. How pros actually get paid on X platform. Now, this is actually going to be a income stream. Now, creators get monetized on the platform by using creators payouts and also creators ad revenue. Now, also brand partnership, digital products, ebooks, course, and preset. Now, also driving views to YouTube can also help. And then newsletters, podcast, and also paid communities or membership. And then also affiliate marketing. Do not forget that. Very important. Don't rely on one source of income. Just build them slowly and then you stack your stream of income over time. This is going to grow gradually and then until it becomes big. Now, 9 on my list is very important. You have to be consistent without burnout. Now, pros reply on the system, not motivation. Try to actually do them this way. Batching content weekly, scheduling ahead of time, repurposing your best post, and also taking breaks when needed. Consistency beats perfection every time, every single time. Now, number 10 is learn, improve, and adapt. Check your analytics weekly and also ask this question. What worked best? What did you learn or what didn't you learn? What should I repeat or expand? And then treat every post as a practice. Very important. And then here are actually common mistakes that you need to avoid. Posting only when you feel like it. Copying instead of creating. Expecting overnight success, ignoring comment and community, quitting too early. Remember, this is a marathon, not just a race. Here are my final thoughts, guys. You can actually become a professional X creator in 2026, but it takes clarity, consistency, patient, and value-driven content. When you focus on helping people, the growth and the income follows. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready to become a X creator. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.